we've been having problems with the pneumatic tools, holding moisture in the lines, which is causing them to malfunction, or we slightly lose air pressure, which causes them to malfunction. And the battery-operated cordless tool moves faster. You don't have to worry about an air hose slowing you down.
We have to move the hoses from side to side out of our work areas or hang them up on the wall where they're out of our road. Then when we need them, we have to go back and get them. The battery-operated is a lot easier to maneuver with.
Drastically saves time. We don't have to wait for the air compressors to recharge. The battery's lithium. The power's there when you need it.
Cordless is more efficient, more durable, dependable versus a pneumatic.